Alright, the things you need to get started with shooting air guns. You need a gun and some ammunition. I use some Super Dome and they are 5.5 caliber, and this is just the cheap ones, and these are a bit more expensive. This isn't dollars, this is Danish krones. Yeah. It is 5 times more expensive here in Denmark, the price. And then you need something comfortable to lay down on, and a target, and a sandbag or a tripod or something else you can use to lay the gun on if you need it. So here you can see the place where we're going to shoot. That's my cat, not gonna shoot her. So this place right here is a good place to lay down. So yeah, target going to be down there at the bottom, where between the two stolps, poles. So right down there in the middle, and as you can see, we're gonna get a pretty good shot down range. So yeah, I'm just going to lay it all up and then give you a quick introducing. So yeah, right now you can see we got it laid out here. That's a good comfortable shooting position. So we got just going to take the target. And can you see? Yeah. Alright, now for the shooting. Alright, as you can see right here is that I have hit the target right out about here. There's a lot of hits out here. Oh, I actually hit right here. Alright, that means that I shoot a bit to the left. No, that's the right. Alright, nothing about that, but yeah. That's all I got for today. Yeah, but there isn't any more to say, but this is the new series, and was just an intro for the targets. But leave a comment for some targets. Come up with an idea for a target. Not that expensive, like just like something like a bit of meat, or yeah, not that big, just some little meat, and just come with some ideas. So yeah, thanks for watching.